Holy shit. God save me. Fucking kill Jack. You killed Jack. Jack, you're dead. Alright. So we have to, you know, go back to the let me say this room. Incinerator room. What? So you know, I was calling it morgue myself, but morgue's not correct. It's incinerator. So let me fix this thing. Right. Oh, it seems like we have to, you know, open Tamara and this one and there's going to be a big brute inside this thing. First, this is Travis. Oh my god. My god, Jesus Christ. What Travis is done. Dissection room key. Let's go to dissection room. Where the fuck was dissection room? Alright, boiler room. Right. I can't remember now. A boiler room. I'm going to use one of these. Oh. I just don't like to get surprised and jumped by those crazy things again. Come on, we are here. And another pizza.
I was gonna be your father. Now she says he will be her father. No. I will find him and I will make him suffer.
Who said such thing? Come on.
You, my friend, will help me.
Oh my god, it's the cop, you know, he killed him earlier. Earlier. Shotgun ammunition and no, I'm not going out there empty-handed. I need to, you know, bring some of my healing items with me, because I'm pretty sure we're going to be surprised again. This Jack guy, he's, you know, unpredictable. I hate him as much as I'm pretty sure you all do. Look, I'm going. What the fuck I'm talking about? I'm going to, you know. First, let's pick some shotgun shells. And what else? Strong first aid, whatever. I need these too. Well, now we can continue. And let's heal, because I'm not finding any better use for this leave thing. Alright, I'm ready for war, Jack. I'm coming for you. Not even God can save you this time. Not even God. I'm going to break every fucking bone in your body. Oh, come on. Let's just run toward Jack, because I don't want to get surprised and jumped by these dark, you know, creatures again. I hate them. And they have the feeling that they smell like sewers. They smell like shithole. Oh, shotgun shell. Well, wow, I'm pretty sure that Jack's going to attack us. Oh, fucking hell.
Poor deputy.
Yup, poor deputy. He didn't even try to fight. Poor me. Trapped in a slaughterhouse with Jack. Hey Jack, come on boy. Oh, he's gonna, you know, spawn. Hello, father. I love you, father-in-law. Oh shit. But no, I hate to say, I really like to have a father-in-law like this. Oh my god.
Sorry, boy. You alright?
This ain't what you want, Jack. Oh my god, come on. How many times is this going to happen? Fucking things coming out of it. Oh, you're picking up a chainsaw. That ain't going well. You know, going to end well for you.
You gotta start moving.
Fuck. I'm sorry, everybody, but you're dead, Jack. You're fucking dead, Jack. Gonna destroy you, Jack. You're gonna burn in hell, Jack. I'm going to destroy you. Oh, you're not to start this thing. Oh fuck, run the engine. No! We died. Well, although we told him not to fuck with us, he did and he won. Sorry, dear viewer, but this time Jack's mine. Going to, you know, slaughter him. No worries. This time I'm gonna get it. Yeah, let me check downstairs. See if anything worth picking up. Jack, you know, fuck it. I've got 4 of these bullets. I'm going to, you know, waste it on your fucking body. Well, happy to see you again, father.
They ain't getting away.
Oh, come on, Jack. Oh shit, I missed.
You kill me, and I just come right on back.
No way, you ain't coming back. Oh shit. Stop following me, Jack. Stop following me. It ain't gonna end well for you. Yeah, Jack, do this. Do this. You're fucked, Jack. I'm gonna show it to you. Jack, come here. Go back to wherever the hell it came from, Jack. Oh my god, I didn't expect this to be hard. Holy shit. God save me. Fucking kill Jack. We killed Jack. Jack, you're dead. Oh my god, I'm out of fuel. Come here, Jack. Come here, Jack. Actually, Jack, you made me disappointed. Come here, Jack, softy. Where did you go, Jack? For you, Jack. That's it for Jack. To kill Jack. Go back to wherever the fuck he came from. Oh Jesus, stay down.
Do me a favor and stay dead.
I told you all. It's what happens. What was their name? The last name? Oh, that's what was going to happen to Baker family. I'm going to slaughter them one by one. We just saw what happened to Jack Baker, right? It's going to happen to his, daughter, his crazy ass son, Lucas, to that, and even to that whore. I can't remember her name, Elizabeth, whatever. His vice. And let's go out. Yo, come on. We lost the chainsaw. And today, we killed Jack too. No, come on, deputy, you can come out, you can calm down. It's done. I killed Jack. I was gonna stand in my way. Jack? Crazy girl, what was her name? Mia? Whatever. Now what? Other single rival left. Three more to go. Jack's wife, Lucas, and Mia. I'm going to kill you all. What the fuck? Oh, Granny, you're here. I just killed your son. You can go and, bury half of his body. What's, left of him. Disgusting family. I'm going to kill this girl, this Granny too if I can, Oh, wait a second. Ben. One more of these, dog heads. I need to find the other one. Thank God there is no more Jack to, annoy us. Let me see if the dog head. No, I can't find it. Let me see if I can find it here. I wanted to make something with this, but oh my God, Jesus Christ, what's this? There's some crazy shit happened to this family. Mia. Tape. Let me see. Gunpowder. Finally. That's it, blue dog head. The last piece of the door lock. Let's see what's... come on, I know. Let's watch this videotape. Ethan, please watch this. Alright, I'll watch it.
Ethan, if you find this, I know I can't expect anything from you. Not after what happened. After what I did. But
Yeah, you
I just
can't
want you to
expect
know that
anything.
wasn't
I'm going
me.
to, hang you.
I
I'm
don't
going
know
to
what
skin you
happened.
alive.
There's
Like
so
I
much
did
that
to
you
your
need to
father.
know.
There you are. You gave us quite a scare, young lady.
Oh shit. Oh, come on, don't tell me that I have to play as me.
I can't let her catch me again.
Wow, disgusting mother. You've got the worst mother.
I am sick and tired. Sick and
Oh,
tired of your bullshit.
I need to hide. I need to hide.
Why are you putting me through this? What have I done to deserve this except open my home and feed you?
she's looking for me, but she's not going to find anything because I'm hiding. Oh,
I don't understand you at all. This is a gift.
yeah. Have a good night, Granny. Because I'm going out of this house, with or without Ethan.
This house has seen more than you can imagine. And it knows. Just don't understand. Or is it that you just don't care?
Oh fuck. She's really looking for me.
I know you and Zoe are plotting. I know you were scared. Think I don't know what you want to do with that boy, Ethan?
I can't imagine my mother turns into something like this. Oh shit. Ah, come on, leave.
No, don't come over here.
Leave me be, come on. I'm going to, sleep with Ethan. Have babies. What do I say? If she's distracted, I'm going to escape. Oh my god. She found me. Fuck you, mother. And I closed this door to give you the fucking freaky vibe. Oh shit, Jesus. Oh my god.
I'll feed you to my babies and fertilize the garden with what was left.
Yeah, I mean, thank you. But
We open our home. We open our hearts.
oh my god. How
And what do you do?
can I married? To Ethan. Oh fuck, she's coming here. Seriously, I don't know what I have to do, but I'll find a way soon enough. Let's try to escape this time. Oh my god, I have to. Let's make a spider. That's it, that's the spider. I'm pretty sure that she's going to, you know, grab us through the wall here and start doing some nasty shit to us, but what the hell, let's go. I'm pretty sure, oh no, looks like I'm not sure at all. Where are you, mother?
She loves you. She wants us to be a family.
Oh my god.
Damn it. You! All you have to do is accept her fucking gift!
Alright, come on. Take it easy, I accept.
We love you! Why can't you see that?
Yeah, come on, mom, I see.
Embrace us!
Right, I will. After you die, you fucking shit.
No! You don't fucking try to escape your share of the flame! There's no way out of there, Missy!
Ah, really?
Ah!
Lovely mother. She found us. Goodbye, Mia.
Where do you think you're going?
Ethan, please help me.
No, Ethan. You have to listen to your mother. Oh my god, I know about the internet connection.
What did they do to you, Mia?